Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you? Hope you are fine and doing well. So this is the video number 2 about the Canva course, and in this video we'll discuss the comparison or between the Canva and other design tools. So first of all, I will compare the user base of these tools, Canva and other tools. So let's start it. So the user base of the Canva tool is approx 130 million user use Canva per month. It's the data it may be vary, so it's not. I think it's not authentic, but you can search in the Google as well. So this is I think you may vary the data may be vary from these numbers, but Canva may use the user base is 130 million, and the Adobe users are 30 million, and Figma is 4 million. The Adobe, I want to tell about the Adobe that I think the numbers 30 million. In this number, the piracies of the users of that uses the piracy of the Adobe is not included. I think if we can include the piracy, then I think these numbers of the Adobe will surpass Canva. But Canva break the market. It is the tool which use millions and millions of users, and from the past 10 years, it's grow exponentially, and the tool is amazing tool. Okay, and the Figma. So let's discuss um, all the numbers may vary. Okay, so let's discuss the difference between these tools, and there's a lot of another plenty of tools available in the market. A lot of tools. Let's take example first. The Canva is very you can design anything from the website to the logo to the slides, infographics, social media post, whatever. This is a design tool. Okay, videos. So there is maybe a limitation of Canva, but Canva you can design anything. Okay, the limitation of the Canva is I think the limitation is a vector base. We can not design the vector logo in Canva. As far as my knowledge is concerned, we let's take an example. I think maybe there is option. Maybe this is the option available, but for the vector logo, let's try. I will go to the and here I will search Canva vector logo. So maybe the Canva logo vector. No, we will search Canva logo maker vector. I think this is not a vector-based software. Canva is not a vector-based software. Logo make it free logos in minutes. Okay, some videos are also some videos is also showing that how we can convert the vector into the vectors into vector. Okay, first I will explain the difference between the vector and the raster. So the raster logo is not uh, 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 the raster logo is pixelized when you increase the size of the logo, and the vector logo does not pixelated when you increase the size of the logo whenever you use in the big banners, posters. So they will not pixelate. The quality of the logo is not compromised when the logo is vector. Okay, so this is some tips in the as well here. How can vectorize logo with the Canva? You can convert your GPG PNG into a CVG scalable vector graphics with a yeah. Sorry, this is a subscription. Okay, you we can convert this logo into the vector base when we use the pro subscription. So this is I think it's about $10 to $12 for the Canva Pro per monthly subscription. So this is the thing, and I may this is a Canva tool, so I'm not covering other topics in detail about vector and raster. So it's all about the Canva itself tool. Okay, inshallah in the future maybe I will convert these all the other topics. So that's the Okay, so that's why I'm not going into the detail about these other topics. Okay, let's compare the tools with Canva with the other tools. So that's and the main thing is Canva is offering is it's a free tool. Okay, you can do a lot of things only in you easily in the free mode. And if you can go to further or scale your designing things, then you will buy it's all cheap than the Adobe softwares. It is I think $12 per month. And the Adobe itself has it's a lot of it's an industry standard. Adobe is not a like we are there is not comparison between Adobe and Canva, but they each has pros and cons. And Adobe, I think 2 to 3 years ago, Adobe in 2000, I think 21 or 22, Adobe launched Canva competitor. You can say that Adobe Express. Okay, I will show you the tool as well. The Adobe Express is just like in a Canva, and I think it has a lot of other features that Canva does not have. For example, you can convert the transparent. You can convert the picture into transparent in free in Adobe Express, but you cannot do this in Canva. So in Canva, if you can do this, you should buy you it is only in pro version. Okay, so this is a I think this is the pros and cons of Adobe Express. Okay, but I will show you the Adobe Express. Okay, I will show you the Adobe Express as well. Here is the Adobe Express tool, and the templates in the Adobe Express. I'm not using Adobe. I'm not I used Adobe Express too much, but the templates in the Adobe Express is according to the design trends or with more designing things. Okay, and with more you can say the trends or the design the design in the templates are more attractive or more you can get glossy or flashy. Okay, you just check here. For example, this is in a home, and you can remove background, resize images, convert to GIF, convert to the MP4, and this is the popular templates. You can check these templates. These are more. I think this is more attractive than the Canva templates. But you can may disagree with me, but yeah, this is a group objects. Okay, so this is the Adobe Express. It is a free version. Let's take an example. Can I Adobe Express? Can I make vector logo in Adobe Express? So the vector SVG file, scalable vector graphics. Okay. I will go here and search some logo. So this is a short comparison. It's not a detailed oriented, you can say, tutorial or video about each and every aspects of the comparison between the software. It's just like you can say it's not that in detail. It's only the main. You can say not in detail. Okay? That's it. My English is not my English is not my primary language, but I'm trying to. Inshallah, I will try to improve it. These are the logo templates, and for example, is this we can? It is a, this is a say SVG file or not? I will try. Just checking that is a raster or vector, or we can convert it into the vector as well. uh, I think there's only a four option here where svg file svg logo is not in this. And again, from my experience from Adobe Express, that this tool is a little bit slow. You can say it takes a time. I don't know it's from my side or my internet problem, but I think the Adobe Express is lag something. The when you uses the buttons and functions, it takes a lot of time. Okay, just check this. This takes a lot. There's bit be a lag, but you can use and then tell me in the comment. Is it the lagging or it's taking a time or not? Okay, so this is the tool, and I don't know if we can create SVG here or not. So I will go SVG. Here is some. I think it is like a feature. Okay, I think it is a okay, this is a free tool. That's awesome. Awesome thing. Amazing thing. Convert to SVG. Okay, and let's go here and go to home. I think we'll find SVG here. So you can say that we can convert logo into SVG in the Adobe free in Adobe Express. Okay, so okay, I will load the 12 minutes. So this is the and then this is a tool. Adobe Express is like just like the same like in a Canva. You can design a lot of things here, and just you try and go and try these software, and then you will identify which one is software has its pros and cons. And another, so that's and the Adobe Creative Cloud, the Adobe Express, the Photoshop and Adobe XD, with along the Adobe Illustrator. These all tools are more they have more functionalities, the more they have more tools for designing. Okay, so and they're more professional, so you can say that. And then Figma is mainly used for website creation, but you can design a lot of other things as well from the Figma. And Figma is web. You can base software just like I think Canva. So these this is the products. You can say there's a when you go to the market or the grocery store, there's a lot each and for example, you buy a one thing. There's a multiple brands of the one thing. Okay, if you buy the pharmacy, if you go to the pharmacy and buy some medicine, there's the formula is the same, but the companies are many. You can say the companies are a lot of companies offering the same formula. Just like this is just I think that is like in the design sense, but you can say there is some unique proposition of each software, unique value proposition. So this like for example Figma and the same just like tool, the Sketch, and Sketch is also the tool for designing websites, and it's, it's a lot of other tools. You can go and try each and every tool so that you can better understand which tool is best for you, or you can say that the which tool is good or which tool has its own pros and cons. Okay, so here are some tools. For example, these are the Figma, Sketch, InVision, Procreate, Adobe XD, Marvel, and a lot of other tools. Okay, so you can go and check out each and every software which is possible, which is more to industry are using. Go to the Google and search the 10 or graphic design popular graphic design tools and go and learn the tools. Okay, so and lastly I will go will share something that the tools and design is each these two things are different. Okay, you can if somebody says that if you learn the tools you will understand designing, it's not a correct, it's not that thing, because when you learn the tool, designing is like a skill. Okay, design is a part, there's a lot of things in design theory, hierarchy, color composition, and typography. There's a lot of the thing which is in the design. Okay, so when I will creating these videos, this is only design part. oh sorry, this is only tool part where we can learn that tool. Design is something like which I think in future I will maybe make the videos in it, but I will only today focusing about the tool. Okay, inshallah I will share the tips about the design as well. Okay, so this is is enough for the today, and I think I'm signing off. It's enough for today, and hopes so. I will add some value to your lives, and the main agenda of creating these videos to create and to share what I know. Okay, to share whatever I know and to create the personal branding. I'm just focusing on my personal branding, okay, and that's why I'm creating. And you, if you are know anything, share to the people. Okay, it's not like you will first gain PhD or do PhD in any university, then tell people what is this and what is that. Not this is not in the case. If you know anything in this world, share to the people who don't know. Okay, this is like a you can say to give value to the nature or whatever the people. So so that's why you will benefit in a lot of sense, not only the personal branding or your business, but as a whole. Okay, so that's enough for today. Keep it up, and hope you will doing well in your life. And uh, okay, sign off. Love is.